Hello, this is Sophie Lawson from sophielawson.com, and Georgia Giraffe is here with us today to have a look at another ImagineFX magazine. And this one here is issue number 241 for August 2024. And what actually happened was my issue went missing in the post, so I ended up having to get another one sent out. And unfortunately, when they do that, it's not a subscriber cover, so you get all the text on it, which is quite disappointing, really, because I love that cover, and I would like to have seen that with as a subscriber cover. But these are the 2024 ImagineFX magazines. The last one was this one, which was a really fun issue, all about fan art. But my favourite covers so far are these two. Well, these three really, but it's these two. But this one here, I don't think it would have been my favourite cover, even if it was a subscriber issue. But it is a beautiful one, and I'm really excited for this one because it's all about sketching. And sketching is one of my favourite things. But would you rather get your ImagineFX magazines in paper like that or plastic like this? I would rather a bit of both. I'd like it to be in a plastic bag like that, so it's waterproof, but inside of a envelope so you can't see the cover, because it's more exciting then. Because when that come through my letterbox, I straight away saw what it looked like, so it ruined a bit of the fun. Yeah, because I quite enjoy not knowing what the covers are going to look like. And also, it's quite hard to get into these plastic bags. But Georgia Giraffe, he's got us in. What's this here, look? Dear Miss Sophie Lawson, thank you for contacting ImagineFX. Today, thank you, we have a special offer here. You can save an extra 5% on additional products. Ooh! Yeah. That'll be the next one. I'm very excited for this. So, Georgia Giraffe is going to get us in. Who made the cover of this one, I wonder? Oh, that's another thing, see? Maybe it's Brooks Kim. Shh! That's what she said. Oh, it's a very thick cover, that. I feel like it is. That's a very thick cover. It's actually thicker than the, I'll be interested to see if the next issue is a thick cover or not. They've either changed the covers, like the thickness of the covers, or the subscriber covers are actually thinner, which would be a bit strange. Inside we go. Oh, look. Oh, look. Oh, look, the subscriber one, they actually changed the location of the artwork as well. I've got a feeling now that would have been my favourite, because it's so sort of simple. I mean, look at that, compared to the... I'm so grateful that they send out replacement, because they could say tough titties. But over the course of, 4 years I've been subscribed, I think 2 issues have gone missing, which isn't too bad, I suppose. I want to see that one, I like the look of this one, I like the look of that, I like the look of that, I like the look of that, and I want to see that as well. And we've got a dragon. I can't excited. What's this one here, look? Hey! Indie game art. Master Chief. It's going to be a dark issue by the looks of it. Yeah, so beautiful, aren't they, these covers? FXPosé. I like this, but again, I wish it wasn't. Sort of put on the spine like that. I like the gesture of this little character. It's a very simple gesture, but it really gets the message across. It's cool, that is. Oh yeah. Juin Kuo. Oh look, I like that as well. She's sitting there like she's absolutely a badass. Sexy these are. Yay! These are cool as well. Oh, look, I say it again. It's so cool the different art styles we get in here. That's thingy, innit? From is it? Oh no, it's not. I thought it was that girl from Arcane. Look at these. Subiji. I want to look into that artist. Look, there's their website there, look. Patreon Subiji. That is cool. You've got environments here, look. They don't excite me as much, the environments. These are nice as well. Light and dark lit. I'm not sure if I would have put that red moon there actually. I'm not sure. It's a bit too different from everything else. Here's the rookies. That reminds me of Assassin's Creed. Black Flag. Life with a small animation studio. Look at that, look. I don't know if I'd like to. I'm not sure. Would you like to work like that, or if everyone had their own cubicle? I'd rather have my own cubicle. I think I might find that a bit too distracting like that. I like that one. That's cool, that one. Yay. That's brilliant, this is, isn't it? The best of Vertex. Hey, cool. Edwin Huang's art studio. Look at these characters here, look. I used to have a glass cabinet with a load of little characters, video game characters in it. It does look cool, it does. Chong-Li. That's a really nice art space as well, isn't it? Look at the screen, look. It's a really wide screen, that is. God, look at that. He's surrounded by figures. Oh, that's brilliant. That is cool. Oh yeah. I'd like to actually walk around that room. That's Aerith from Final Fantasy there. Look, he's obviously got a Final Fantasy shelf. He's got Final Fantasy characters. I wonder if he's got any Dead or Alive characters. It seems to be mostly Street Fighter characters in there. Hey, look at him. Cool character. The Art of Nathan Fowkes. I like that. It's very sort of melting. I like the textures and things on this one. Cool. Yay! Child Lister's sketchbook. These are cool sketches. Mental, isn't it? Into these little monsters. I wonder if he's done psychedelics and he's actually seen these creatures. because a lot of people say these are the sort of creatures you see when you go into the DMT psychedelic realm. Little goblins and things. It would be weird, wouldn't it, if you had little creatures like that running around on your desk. Imagine that. Imagine what would happen is you'd be trying to sketch and draw and they'd be nicking your pencils and stuff. Like, oh, little naughty creatures. So this makes me want to look into their artwork. Oh, cool! We've got two sketch. Oh yeah, look at this character here. Look, she's cool. Brilliant. That's nice as well. Like the style of it. Yeah, I like these. That's brilliant because these ones, I love these ones and I love these ones, but they're completely different. My belly is about to rumble. Oh, weird. Oh yeah, it was this one, wasn't it? That is lovely, that is. I love that. Oh look, she didn't have her finger there to start with. So they obviously put the finger in. Yeah, look, changed the expression. When the drawing was about 70% complete, I thought the character's expression and general atmosphere seemed a bit static. So they put that. That is amazing, isn't it? Like that actually is what creates that character for me. Yeah, without that it wouldn't have been as amazing. Did you hear that? It's my belly. Love this one. Jeremy Fenksky. Not very good with pronouncing names. Pronouncing names. Look how much that pops. Look. Oh, the only thing is, I wish it wasn't spread across 2 pages. Because you can't really see it properly. That's amazing. It looks amazing like that as well, doesn't it? That's cool as well. Look, they drew little characters. That's like sort of like on remember when they used to have like what's it called? Acetate paper or something. Where they draw on top of the scene. That's quite cool, isn't it? You could move the characters around all over the place. What's this one? Look. Exaggerate to create drama. Rah. Dinosaur. Dragons here, look. That is cool, that is. That is amazing. I love that. Dragon Nest. Video game. I've not heard of that. That is so cool. The sort of the anger, energy and expression in that is brilliant. Look at it, look. That's cool. That's one of the best dragons I've ever seen. Don't be afraid to experiment. that's good for a sketchbook, isn't it? For a sketch special. Erwin Era. These could be like tarot cards as well, like these. This little guy's got a lot of personality about him. That's nice as well. Watercolour, look. Beautiful. Oh, that's nice as well. That's cool, that is. Here he is, little froggy. The Frogster. And that was that. Issue number 241 of the ImagineFX magazine. Sketching special. I enjoyed that one. It's that. I can't believe how cool that is as a dragon. Who's the artist on that one? No, the artist is called Lina Sidorova. I'd like to see what their characters look like. I wonder if they've got like characters. I can't wait to see what their characters look like. That is brilliant as well. I enjoyed that. I hope you did. It was a look at issue number 241 of the ImagineFX magazine, and we've got one left, which is this one. So I'll do that next. But I hope you enjoyed that, and I shall see you later for another one.